Alright, hi and welcome to the fifth time I've done this video, so hopefully I get it right this entire time. Alright, this is the fourth week of the 52-week Blender Challenge. We are going to do like a bucket, so go to Edit, Preferences, you're going to need this stuff, and type in Mesh. Go to Add Extra Mesh Objects and Mesh Loop Tools. That's what you need, and then just press Refresh. Alright, let's create our bucket really fast. And we're going to add a cylinder one. GC up here. Go to edit mode. Select your X-ray first, then select them all. GC like that. As alright. Then ES, it's about pretty even thickness. Then EC, that's pretty good. S, that's even thickness throughout the entire thing, so you're pretty good. Control R. Actually, not that one. Control R. Yeah, move up. Go to face mode. Exit out of this, and then select these faces. We're gonna make the part where the handle is Shift Control plus, then Shift D. That'll create the faces here, and those are, we're gonna separate this. So P by loose parts. All right, tab edit mode. Tab object mode, and then select the part for the handle. Then tab edit mode. We're gonna select everything A, and we're gonna extrude S like that. That's pretty good thickness. Then we're gonna do A again, S, and then C, and then bring it down. That's pretty good. All right, press 1, press 7 actually, and then we're gonna do exit. We're gonna delete everything on this side here, or yeah, 1. Okay, delete faces, and then we're gonna extrude. Sorry, we're the mirror then. All right, and then press 3. Right here is what we want. Press the exit out of that. Oh, okay. Right here. These instead. All right. Go up here. Sorry. Go down here. And then extrude them out. Select these two faces. And this is why you need the, the extra add-ons. And right click, loop tools, circle. All right. Then G, X, I think. That's good. Okay. Press I. Delete that edge right here. And we're going to select the edges right there. Make sure you actually press the shift as you hold. Then F to create a new face. I again. E back. I very small. Then E like this. Alright, cool. Exit out of edit mode. Apply the filter. Okay. And then we are gonna do like a curve, a beveling curve to make our handle, but we could also make it like blocky, so it goes more with this. But if I do with the bevel and the cylinder stuff, I mean the line, it'll be a lot easier for you, and you can do it for other things. So yeah, let's go with that one. All right, Shift A. We're gonna go, first thing is create a circle. Move this to the side. Then Shift A, curve. We are just gonna do a normal path. Exit GC, like right here. This is where I wanted. Then S. Then tab edit mode. Then E, just a little bit right here. And then proportional editing to make this a lot easier. G. R. Okay. Then extrude. Extrude, extrude, extrude. You get the point. Extrude some more. And right about here is pretty good. Okay, select everything here, Shift D, X, move it all the way over here. I would say do a mirror, but there's something wrong with a modifier, or I'm not sure what's wrong, so we're gonna do it the manual way. So then RC 180, then GX, and we're gonna try to line it up as best as possible. Oh. Okay, GCX, a little more this way so it doesn't get trapped with this. Then RC 180, then GX, move it so it's about in the same location. All right, and then select these two, F, that connects them. You're all good. Now let's do some magic. So 3, actually worse, 1. So you want it this way, 1. All right, so we want to be this way. Okay. Press 1, 3, G, X, oh, GY, and then this way, and oh, nope, like that. Okay, sweet. Now go to the curve tool right here, or the curve menu, go to geometry, press go to bevel, object, select the dropper, and then select the circle, and you'll get that thickness. But we don't want it to be that thick, so exit out of the edit mode, press the circle, and then make it smaller, and it'll decrease the thickness and make it about this small, so that you see, hey, it's going in here, but it's not like, it's not too funky. You're good here. Now let's get out of X-ray mode, and there you have it, a nice bucket. All right, let's see if we can smooth everything out. Shade smooth. See, one of those nice retro buckets that definitely needs some extra love and care. But that's about it. Hope you enjoyed that, or at least learned something new, or refresh your skills. Until the next time.